Service quality, though, adds another dimension, right? So why expectations matter is an important part of setting yourself up for success when delivering quality with a service. So clearly defining and then delivering a service that meets those expectations is the most important part of delivering quality as it relates to service. In general, the definition of how good something is measured against something else, but it's fairly easy to compare a consumer product from one genre, such as, let's say, earbuds, right? So when we think of earbuds, a lot of times something simple as a pair of Apple, just the white standard ones that come with your phone, that was a symbol of quality. When Apple first came out with the iPhone, you saw people wearing those earbuds and it was a symbol of quality. Now that's sort of switched over to the wireless earbuds that they have, the AirPods, and Apple partly does that by delivering higher quality materials, higher quality sound and workmanship, durability of their product. Some of that's reputation too, because they've consistently delivered a stylish, high quality result. Versus maybe something you purchase on Amazon that only lasts a week or two, where the Apple products might last for years. But service quality, though, adds another dimension. Not only do you have to meet certain standards, but the client has to be happy with it, and their understanding of what you delivered has to be in line. So if the client has different standards, they're not going to be happy with the service. So, for example, if you have a customer that wants her bed made in a very specific way, but you make it the way you make all beds, she's not going to be happy, even if the bed is made beautiful, right? The standard is met, the bed is made, it looks great, but it doesn't meet the client's expectations because that's not the way the client wants it. So that's a common failure, and we're going to kind of cover a couple other common service failures as well.